Cinnamon, Sal came in while we are skinning Bubba's bear. Little bitty thing, we're, oh, I don't know, 10 yards behind the barrel, and she's coming back. I don't think they really give a shit about us.
I don't think they do either.
We're 10 yards away standing here.
Hey, girl.
Look at that hide. It's freaking beautiful.